Hi, hello, good morning. So, this is just only my point of view dun sa kumakalat na issues about the Bucano Bridge that is being um, said by BBM that it is part of his four legacy projects under his administration. Um, by the way, Mr. President, if you're going to read out the full project of the Bucano Bridge, it was actually being started way back on 2018 when Sara Duterte is still the mayor of Davao City, and it is under the former President Rodrigo Duterte administration. So basically, walang ginastos dito ang Pilipinas, walang ginastos dito ang City of Davao because this is under the ODA program between Philippines and China. Legacy is actually being built not just by doing an photo ops after the operation has been done, but the legacy is actually being built by the vision, by the plan, by the love to the people, and by envisioning what is going to be the good benefits of these particular projects, not just only for Davao but for Mindanao. So if you're just going to grab this legacy that was been built way back on 2018, sana man lang po Mr. President mag-isip kayo. Kasi sasabihin yung part ng legacy nyo, bakit? Pinuntahan ba to na administrasyon nyo? Eh yung mga kurakot ka hindi nyo ma-resolve kasi ito pa magiging part ng legacy. Siguro maniniwala pa ako kung part ng legacy yung mga flood control issues. Yun, possible pa na maging legacy nyo. Pero the Bucano Bridge, no way. It's a big no-no. And to those Filipino who already knows who knows the truth since then. So, alam naman natin sa puso natin who really owns credit for these particular projects. Okay? Yun lang. Bye!